Hi everyone and welcome. My name's Ali and I'm just doing a bit of a quick review this evening. I'm just going to put these aside. This is what I'm going to come back to, but I just wanted to talk to you about this Himi set. You would have seen me using it before on the channel. And one of the things that I've found with gouache paint is that you tend to go through it really quickly and the white always starts to run out. I use a lot of white for whatever reason. And I found a site that does sell some refills. So I've got a white refill here. So just to test it out, I'm going to just top this up. Yep, there we go. Nicely refilled. That's going to keep me going for a little while. And these were really quite cheap. And the site that I did get them from, I will share with you now. It was called Makeroo. Just on eBay. So if you're interested in doing any top-ups or you need anything for your paints, by all means go and visit them. They're not sponsored at all. I just find that if you find a good deal, I like to share it with you. So let's pop this away, because whilst I was actually going through the site and looking for white refill, I came across these. Now these are, again, a Himi Gouache, but they are metallic colours. So I thought I would open these up and give them a little test out whilst you're here with me. So they come in these little blocks like so, and again you still have to take the packaging off. This is going to be a bit difficult, isn't it? I'm going to get it everywhere. It's the only thing with these paints, they can get a bit tricky to undo. Oh no, now I've got the silver going through the thing. I am going to carefully peel these off and pop them back in. And what I might do is just pop over here on the side, just the lids, and that's what I'll use for my testing. Okay, I've got some paper towel here as well. Let's see that I can do the next few without making such a big mess of it, shall I? Okay, so I managed to get through that largely unscathed, but a little bit dirty. That's okay. Nice colours already on the paper towel. So let's put this to the side, because I have over here on the little bits of paper and so forth, these. I think I'm going to use these to do the colours. So the colours I've got, bring them over. So the colours that are on here, we have got pearl white, pearl yellow, pearl orange, pearl red. We have gold and silver. We have pearl green, pearl teal, pearl sky blue and pearl blue, and pearl purple and pearl black. So there they are, the colours there. So let's have a little look and see. We might be able to create something here. So I'm just going to use a big brush, and let's start, shall we, with the pearl white. So I'm just going to pick up the pearl white and I'm just going to do a wavy line here. There we go. So there is the pearl white. A bit of a rinse. Pearl yellow. I love how these are very, very gooey. Makes them a lot of fun to work with. Don't mind my arm, sorry about that. we'll go orange. And while I'm here, I'll pick up the pink. Nice. And then we will go light green. Teal. Light blue, dark blue, purple, and the black. I'm just going to use a little bit more of this down here, just to neaten off that bottom of the pig. Give that a wash, and then up the top I'll add in the silver. Oh, you should see the jar of water as I'm cleaning it out. The mica is just spinning around in there. It's beautiful. All right, so let's go. Silver. And lastly, the gold. I'm just going to spread that out a bit, just so that it evens up on the page. So when this dries, I'm going to come back and do a bit of work over the top of it. Okay, so there you have the colours there. These look really lovely and really shiny. Let's have a look. I'll just see if I can tilt this so you can see that shimmer and shine on those. I'm having to do a lot of filming at night, unfortunately. It's still getting really dark down here in Hobart, and I don't get home till late, and I don't have good lighting at the moment. I'm going to work on that, but that's fine. We hope you can cope just as I'm trying to. So that is the Himi Gouache metallic colours, And again, if you're in Australia or anything about wanting to purchase some of these, that's where you can get them from, and you will find them at care@maycrew.com.au. And these are so cute. I'm going to get a bit of use out of these, using them sparingly obviously because there's not a lot in each one, but so we'll put the colours on there. There's 12 colours in this metallic set. Obviously they're washable bright colours, they're quick drying, they're smooth and silky, absolutely. And I don't know if you really want to check this out, but you can see the dirty water. It's got some really nice sparkle in there. So let's wait for this to dry and might create something out of it. Thanks everyone for sticking around and watching the review video today. If you'd like to see more from this channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. On this channel you'll find lots of videos about creating, whether that be creating passive income online, art tutorials, and also tutorials and tips about using a range of different software to create for self-publishing and also for your own art and print on demand. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.